안녕하세요. 스피코리안입니다. 오늘은 adjective stem 은 것 같다 or 을 것 같다 공부해요. 리사 씨가 지금 정말 바쁜 것 같아요. adjective stem 은 것 같다 or 을 것 같다. Those grammar points can be used when you guess something. So they can be translated in English, I think, I guess, right? But the difference between them, if you guess something with a solid information, solid basement, then you're going to use 은 것 같다. On the other hand, you guess something, but you just have like a vague assumption. In that case, you use adjective stem 을 것 같다 말해요. So let's look this picture. Look for this one. The picture in the middle, there's a clue. 구두, 불편하다. So shoes, dress shoes, not comfortable, right? On the left side picture, this person, the guy, the man, is watching a woman feel uncomfortable in her shoes, right? So he's guessing the shoes is not comfortable, right? But he sees the scene, so he can guess with a solid basement. So he's gonna use 구두가 불편하다 하 stem 하 노받침. So 구두가 불편한 것 같아요. 했어요. And on the right side of the picture, this person hasn't seen what the woman has on yet, right? But he is guessing that the shoes are probably uncomfortable because they are high shoes, right? So he thinks these shoes may be uncomfortable, right? So he used 을 것 같아, 을 것 같아요. 또 구두가 불편하, 노받침, so 불편할 것 같아요. 개세. So solid guess, 은 것 같아요. Vague assumption, 을 것 같아요. 말해요. So 싸다, when you just do the solid guess, 싸, 노받침, so 싼 것 같아요. 바쁘다, 바쁘, 노받침, so 바쁜 것 같아요. 좋다, 받침 있어요. 좋은 것 같아요. 길다, to be long. So 길 plus real 받침 adjective 길. So you don't take parenthesis a syllable. So you only take 니은 것 같아요 after stem. So 길 plus 니은 것 같아요. After real 받침, when you add ending starting with one of 시옷, 비읍, 니은 consonant, you drop real 받침 on the stem. So throw away real 받침 on 길. So you have only 기 plus 니은 것 같아요. So 니은 go on the bottom of 기. So that makes 긴 것 같아요. 맛있다. Adjective ends with 있다, 없다. Those adjectives you use 는 것 같아요. So 맛있다, 맛있는 것 같아요. 맛없다, 맛없는 것 같아요. 재미있다, 재미있는 것 같아요. So all adjectives with ending 있다, 없다, you attach 는 것 같아요 for solid guess. Let's go for 을 것 같아요. 크다, there's a no 받침, so 클 것 같아요. 멀다, real 받침, adjective, so you don't take parenthesis, a syllable. And the next is starting with the consonant real. Real 받침 adjectives or verbs don't take the a syllable in the parenthesis, nor the real consonant if the grammar point is starting with the real consonant. So you attach only 말, stem plus 것 같아요. So 말 것 같아요. 많다, 받침 있어요. 만 plus real together 을. So 많을 것 같아요. 맛있다. In this case, for vague assumption, you just use the follow regular conjugation rule. So 맛있 받침 있어요. So 맛있을 것 같아요. Let's look for more examples here. Look at this picture. She's on her phone and she's doing her computer. She looks like very busy. So let's guess her situation with the 바쁘다. When you see the scene, so 바쁜 것 같아요. There's no 받침, so attach 는 the bottom of last syllable 뿌, so 바쁜 것 같아요. And next one, so you see the window. So throughout the window, you see it snowed, right? So there's a snow, and look like a very cold with the snow. So when you guess the weather, you just guess like, oh, it must be very cold, right? So 춥다, 날씨가 춥다. But let's conjugate 춥다 with a solid guess grammar point. So 추운 것 같아요. 말해요. 춥다, There's a 받침, so 은 것 같아요. The ending starting with a vowel, so you throw a 비읍, add a 우, and then there's no 받침 anymore, so you attach 는 것 같아요. 니은 것 같아요. So 추 plus 우 instead of 비읍, and then 니은 것 같아요. That makes 추운 것 같아요. 날씨가 추운 것 같아요. And next one, you're gonna guess the 월세 of this room. 월세 means monthly rent, right? But when you see this picture, if you guess, oh, maybe this room's monthly rent is expensive, but you don't know about the monthly rent fee yet, but you're just guessing the rent fee is expensive because it's clean and it's spacious. So you're guessing this one monthly rent is expensive. So you want to say that 월세가 비싸다. So 비싸. There's no 받침. So real goes on the bottom of 싸. So 비쌀 것 같아요. 월세가 비쌀 것 같아요. When you're saying the monthly rent will be expensive, but you're not sure, 100% sure, right? And this one, this person is looking at the poster, the movie poster. The poster says 인천행. So there's a movie poster. But he thinks this movie is not fun, right? But he didn't watch this movie yet. But he just think this movie may not fun, right? So without solid guess, you can say 이 영화가 재미없 받침 있어요. So you use plus real together. So 이 영화가 재미없을 것 같아요. So this sentence says the movie maybe it's not fun, but without 100% sure. Okay, so today we've talked 은 것 같다, 을 것 같다 with adjective stem. So 은 것 같다 is used on adjective to use when the speaker's guess is more certain. Whereas 을 것 같다 is used for vaguer assumption. 여러분 모두 수고하셨습니다. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕히 계세요.